At the Dubai Health Authority stand, several new health services that the authority has introduced were presented, as well as the developments in the Medical Tourism Initiative.
With the directives of His Excellency the Director General Engineer Issa Al-Meidour, Director General of the Dubai Health Authority, we have launched the Dubai Medical Tourism Club, which is a club designated for the medical tourism facilities to come together, discuss plans for marketing, for improving the quality of services, and also for us to be together as a forum of thinking how to take forward this initiative that was launched by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum back in 2012, and when the strategy was given to us to start working on it and implementing it in the best way we can. At the moment, we are in discussions with a couple of companies to come up with a designed medical tourism insurance that will give a great coverage for those medical tourists coming into Dubai for any complications that may arise, because as you know, any surgery or any procedure that can be done can have complications. So these complications will be covered by this. It will not substitute the travel insurance because that is a separate issue. However, it can be incorporated within this package of the medical tourism insurance. So we want to give the medical tourist who comes to Dubai complete package. He needs to come and feel he is protected. We have our clinical governance office procedures that will cover him in terms of any risk that can happen with the process. We're also looking at launching a performance management for the hospitals in Dubai. Not necessarily only those who are doing medical tourism, but in general, this is something that the Health Regulation Department is working on, and with it will come the hospital ranking. So the patient can log onto the website, check the credentials of the doctors, check the procedures that are being done in so-and-so hospital, and they can know also their ranking in terms of performance, and this will be benchmarked against the best practices in the world.
The DHA has named premier healthcare companies advocating the medical tourism strategy, and Physique TV was able to get an update on what projects are being pushed forth to meet Dubai's targets.
Actually, Saudi German Hospital Groups, we are a group of hospitals based in Saudi Arabia. We are 4 branches in Saudi Arabia, in Jeddah, Riyadh, Medina, Asir, and 1 in Yemen, Sana'a, and 1 in Dubai. We are focusing on medical tourism as a group of hospitals. We have a change. All of our hospitals are tertiary hospital, big hospital, more than 300 beds capacity. Also, we are last year in 2014, we are there in MTech exhibition. We met a lot of agencies distributed all over the world. We had an agreement of all of them to sending a patient to our hospital here in Dubai. Of course, we are planning to have more facilities in our hospital. We are building now extension for the hospital for the oncology department. Also, we are starting to make a specialized center for diabetes, internal medicine, obs and gynae, pediatric centers, as well as an plastic surgery extension.
Aster DM Healthcare is one of the largest healthcare providers in this part of the world. Now, DHA has come up with a lot of plans to attract patients from all over the world, especially Middle East and the African continent to Dubai. So we work very closely with DHA. In a way, our expansion plans, our growth plans are very much in line with the vision of Dubai. So we are also looking at more opportunities. Now we have, as I said, 3 hospitals are already in pipeline, and we are looking at more opportunities. Now we are expanding to Abu Dhabi. We are opening one exclusive mother and child boutique hospital in Dubai under the brand name of Medcare, that is scheduled for launch towards end of this year. And we have an exclusive sports hospital, exclusively for spine and ortho. And again, we have a very clear expansion plan till 2025.
Now we have many services that we are promoting for medical tourism, especially that of plastic surgery, and that plastic surgery comes mainly from GCC market, especially Saudi Arabia. and from Asia and Russia for special service like oncology services and family medicine also. It's a surprise that you'll find certain people coming for tourism, and by the way, searching medical service, family medicine, and specialized dental services like implants and maxillofacial surgeries.